Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I haven't been here for like a month, or maybe it's been a month and a half. I'm not even really sure at this point anymore. So school, I think that's all I have to say at this point, especially if you're taking online school, just school. It's been a tough semester, but I'm really proud of my fellow classmates for getting through it because we basically just taught ourselves online all semester. It's been rough. So I'm so sorry that I haven't been here for you guys, but I have a whole month off, so I'm really excited just to get to spend some time doing what I love, which is making makeup videos with you guys. So today it's actually Christmas Eve, and I'm super excited. I love Christmas. Even though it's a pandemic, I'm still going to dress up, even though it's just for gonna be me and my family this year. My immediate family, I should say. Um, so yeah, I like to make things feel as normal as possible, and for me, that is dressing up to the nines. And luckily, my siblings are the same way, so it's gonna be a fun year, no matter what. So today I'm gonna do a makeup look, and I still have to do my hair, so you'll get to see that transformation, and I'm gonna find an outfit to go and tie everything together. So I'm gonna get right into it because I'm super excited. I love Christmas. It's my favorite time of year, so I hope you guys enjoy. Gonna start with my brows as usual, and I'm using Anastasia DIPBROW Pomade, and this is in soft brown. So I'm pretty much all ready for Christmas. I wrapped all my presents this morning because I couldn't sleep. And I was up at like 5 in the morning this morning, and like, what do you do at 5 in the morning? Like, you could watch TV, scroll on your phone, but like after a minute, like it's boring. And like I said, I love Christmas, so I just got kind of super excited about it. And the other thing is, I absolutely love to wrap presents. Every year, I make them super extra. Like, everybody's wrapping paper is coordinated, and I have bows and I have ribbon and really cute note cards. Like, I go all out. My wrapping job is superb. Let's just put it that way. I'm a very proud wrapper. So let's be real, I got kind of excited too. I'm just putting a little bit on the back of my hand. And using a flat brush, I'm just going to highlight right underneath and shape. And I'm having a little bit of a harder time today with my brows because they need to be tweezed. So that will make a difference. So I'm just taking a little bit of excess and going on the inner corner a little bit. I'm going to go in with a little bit of my foundation, which I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible in 405, and I'm going to use that to do the top. Next, I'm going to go in with Wonder Beauty Brow Gel. I love this brow gel. It keeps your brows like directly in place, and I'm obsessed. And again, my brows need to be done, so don't judge them, please. I'm going with a like full bushy brow look right now, but you can see how like perfectly it stands them up. I am obsessed. Next, I'm just going to prime my lids with some concealer. Okay, so for my Christmas look, I want to use this baby. I've been dying to play with it. I got it probably a month and a half ago before classes took over my life. So I'm really excited. I used it a little bit. Like I used it in a couple looks, but not really much of the colors. Like you could see some of them I just swatched and others are like barely tapped into. So I'm super excited for this. I'm going to start with a little bit of this shade, Balloon Buddies, and I'm going to mix it with Playtime Kittens to make a pretty transition shade. And I'm just sweeping this across the lid. Next, I'm going to go in with Miss Galaxy. And I'm just gonna pack this in. Now I'm gonna take a clean blending brush and lightly and right along the line blend that in. Just gonna drag a little bit of Miss Galaxy underneath the eye too. Next, I'm gonna go in with Forest. Same thing, I'm gonna pack this in right in my crease. Going back in with the brush that I used Miss Galaxy with, I am just going over that. And I'm gonna lightly take the mixture of Playtime Kittens and Balloon Buddies and just slightly go over. I'm not going too much, like too deep in. I don't want to muddy those colors up too much. And just kind of cleaning it up. Next, I'm going to take some concealer. I decided to change my brush really quick because the other one wasn't really working out for me. I'm going to take MAC. This is Reflex Glitter in Transparent Pink. And I'm gonna start pressing at the top. And I'm going to use the NYX Gold glitter. And I'm going to, same thing, press. I'm pressing near the top. And blending it down. Just take that translucent pink glitter. I'm just gonna take the translucent pink glitter and just lightly press on top of this loose glitter again. Just to like meld those colors together a little more. I'm going in with the leftover green and just lightly tracing above it. Now I'm going in with Morphe liner. So I'm just gonna make sure I wipe off the glitter from my eyeliner before I safely store it away. So I decided to do my face off camera. Now I'm gonna put on some lashes, and I'm using Lilly lashes in Houston. So I'm gonna put on a little mascara, and I'm using Essence False Lashes Lash Princess Mascara. It's my favorite. So I'm just putting my lash glue on my lashes, and then I'm gonna put them down and let them set for a little bit. Lilly lashes are thick, so I like to let my glue really dry and get tacky before I put them on. Next, I'm using MAC Let It Glow Extra Diminish Skin Finish Highlighter, and I'm going to highlight my cupid's bow, my nose, my cheeks. Forgot to contour my lips, so I'm just using Trusty Brazilian Bronze Contour Cheek Stick and lightly just overlining my lips a little bit because I like them to look pretty pouty for Christmas. Now I'm just going to pop these lashes on. Next, I'm just going to trace over my eyeliner and the lashes. I've used these lashes before, so I'm just going to lightly go over the edges to darken them up. So I made a mistake and now I have to thicken my eyeliner. It's okay though, I feel like it wound up looking really pretty. Use Kylie liner in Koko and just go over my contour and really highlight my lips and give it a little color. Now going in with MAC Sugar Rimmed Lip Gloss, I am going to gloss my lips up because I do matte all the time and I feel like a little shine with this look is perfect. I love Sugar Rimmed. It's one of my favorite glosses. I think it's so pretty and you can use it with any look. You can use it how I am with just a little bit of liner and it goes a long way. So I am going to fix this hair up and I'm back. So this is my final look. I did do a couple things off cam. I did take Hoola caramel and just dusted it under my eyes, and what that does is it kind of like blends the color into your natural skin tone so it doesn't look like really off with the concealer. You know what I'm talking about if you've used color before. It kind of bleeds and meshes, so that kind of fixes it. And then I also added a little bit more of the translucent pink, just what was left over on the brush right on the inner corner of my eyes to give it a pop. And then I put on lashes and did everything else as you saw. So this is my final look. I'm loving this eye look. It's so bold and so pretty, but it's still like, even though there's so much, it doesn't look like too much in my opinion. It's super, super glam. It's definitely something I would wear really anytime, but this is super festive. So I didn't brush my hair out yet. I did just throw in a couple curls, like very loose ones. I didn't want anything too crazy. I like with the longer hair, more fun boho-y vibe, but I am gonna brush them out. But before I do that, I am going to try on an outfit. So I will be right back. So this is my final look. My dress is from rosegal.com. I love this dress. It's super comfortable, but it looks gorgeous. I love the back. As you see, it's a little cut a little lower. It fits really well. Rose Gal has an amazing selection of dresses. I mean, they have literally thousands of items on there, and they have an extensive range of sizes, which is super important to me as a plus size woman. So check them out. The link is in my bio. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more full-blown get readies with me where you see my outfit of the day, and keep a lookout because I have more outfits from Rose Gal. Thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time. Love you. Merry Christmas.